Alright, so this is what happens on a cold, wet, rainy day. You got a mixture of snow, rain, and even lightning outside today. 94 Cavalier, the ignition wires, spark plug wires are a bit wet and they're arcing, so we got a misfire, possibly 2 cylinders. Very slick outside too. They'll be doing a little acceleration in a minute to see how rough it is. That sword? Yep. Yeah, a lot of tap and power.
Fuck. This sucks, man.
Those are out eventually, just keep the wires. Hopefully she keeps running.
Let's do it.
Open up the window. Yeah. Still run slow.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
On the floor.
Yeah, that's what happens when you use wires and it's wet outside.